in 3, 2, 1. And go! No running!
Come back here!
Oh yes, I win!
Congratulations!
Oh yeah! I got it!
Hey, I wanted that! That's the last one!
Oh no!
Oh, please still be here.
Yes, the last one! Yes! Hey, it's mine! Hey, I saw it first!
No, I did. Give it to me.
Hey, what's going on here?
She will get her hands off my game.
It's not your game, it's mine! I know how we can settle this. In the green sweater, the amazing Lily!
You're going down.
And in the tie-dye, the spectacular Joyce! No, I'm going to win. All right, are your hands ready?
Yeah.
Go! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! And the winner, Lily!
Yes, first in line.
Oh, it's only Tuesday. Are you really gonna stay this whole time?
Yeah, I've got food and water. I'm so ready. Oh yes, it's Wednesday. Only 2 more days. Thursday. 1 more day.
All right, stores open. Should we wake him up?
No, you snooze, you lose.
Okay. Come on in. Come on in. Sir, wake up.
Is it Black Friday yet?
Sorry, you missed it.
How long was I asleep?
It's been 30 years. My grandma helped you.
30 years? What? Oh, I slept too long.
Who needs shopping when you can go online? There, all of my holiday shopping done. Where's the rest of them?
Package.
Oh!
Package.
Finally! That has to be all of them?
Package.
Oh, I guess I did too much shopping.
The PS5s are in stock for Black Friday.
Really? But how are we gonna get one?
Don't worry, I've got a plan. Are you in position?
Yes.
Okay, the gate opens in 3 seconds.
All right, stores open.
Go!
Okay.
Thank you.
There's only one guard. Shouldn't be trouble.
Excuse me, do you know where the cashier is?
Oh, just over there, miss.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Oh, Max, the PS5 is too high.
Use the gadget I gave you.
Oh, yeah. Nice, a fishing pole. Hope it reaches.
Easy.
Got it.
Yes, now get out of there.
I'm on my way.
Here you go. Thank you. Come again. Next.
Do you accept card?
No, cash only.
Oh, what do I do?
Abort mission.
Oh, no.
Huh? Wait, where's Lily?
I think she went shopping.
Hey guys. Huh?
Can you help me with this? Oh,
Lily, you got so much stuff.
Do we really need all this?
duh, I could never pass up a good deal.
What are we gonna do with 2 fountains?
One for cheese and one for chocolate.
What are we going to do with 4 TVs?
Easy. So we can have one in every room.
Even the bathroom?
Even the bathroom.
Guess that makes sense.
Don't you think that's still too much?
If I did, I wouldn't have gotten you these.
What? VR headset?
Oh, I've always wanted one of these.
Yeah!
Whoa, this is awesome.
Yeah, thanks, Lily.
See, there's no such thing as too much.
Time to steal some stuff. Oh, she's not looking.
Hey! What are you doing? And why do you look like a robber?
Oh, look, an alien.
What? An alien? Where? Huh? Where'd he go?
Making my escape. Huh?
Busted. You're under arrest.
Oh, look, an alien.
I'm not falling for that.
Okay. Oh, look, free chicken strips.
Chicken strips? Where? Hey, there's no chicken strips. Hey!
Oh, you'll never catch me, Copper.
Got you. Your thieving days are over.
Oh man, I guess crime doesn't pay.
Move in, come on.
Alright, store closes in 5 minutes.
Oh, I hope they have all the stuff I need. Everything's gone. Oh, look, the last one. Oh, they're all gone. I guess I'll just see what's left. Happy birthday, Lily.
Thanks, did you get me the gaming system I asked for?
No, but I got you these bowls.
Mixing bowls?
Yeah, bowls are so in right now, you can use them for like anything.
Like what?
Like a hat, see? Or maybe drums. And of course, for snacks.
You're lucky I like popcorn.
Let's watch a movie now.
Sure.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, time for some food shopping. Excuse me, where are your turkeys?
Sorry, we don't really sell any food here.
Don't you have any food?
You can look in our snacks section.
It'll have to do. I hope they like the food. Hey Lily! Wow, the food looks so good!
Yeah, let's eat. I'm hungry.
For appetizers, we have dry seaweed tubes. For the main course, it's rehydrated ramen in a flavored raw. And for dessert, it's sugar encrusted marshmallow pies. What do you guys think?
It's great.
Really?
Yeah, I'm so tired of holiday food.
I had 5 turkeys yesterday. This is a good change.
Alright, dig in! Yay!
Oh, yes.
Hey guys!
Hi, Lily.
Are you ready for Black Friday?
Instead of shopping, let's just stay home.
Stay home.
What are we gonna do today then?
Let's count all the money we saved.
Yeah!
Look at all the money I saved.
Well, not as much as me.
Mine's huge.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
We go live with breaking news. We continue the story of a huge tub of cake frosting which exploded in the store a couple hours ago. It covered everybody in the cake topping. Oh, I got frosting all over me.
Oh, looks like we got ourselves out of a sticky situation.
Let's celebrate our fortune.
Ah!
Hi everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Hey everyone. We wanted to introduce you guys to our newest member to Crafty Hacks, Crafty Cat.
Hey everyone, I'm Crafty Cat, the newest member, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.
All right.
Yeah, thanks, Crafty Cat. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!